Hey guys, Random Verse here, and today we'll be talking about the Pythagorean Theorem. So, what is the Pythagorean Theorem? Well, it's a theorem, obviously, as the name suggests, that helps you find the hypotenuse of triangles. But there's quite a few complications. It has to be actually a right angle triangle, or else this wouldn't actually work. And a right angle triangle means that the triangle has to actually have a right angle as one of its angles. This creates the longest side of the right triangle, which we know as the hypotenuse. So, now that we got that covered, what is the theorem in practice? So, the theorem is one of the legs squared plus another of the legs squared equals to the h squared. So, all the other two sides who aren't the hypotenuse will be one of the legs. So, 3 would be a leg and 4 would be a leg in this situation here. And so, let's try this out. So, this is one of the actual general examples for the Pythagorean theorem. It's used by a lot of teachers too. So how does this actually work? Well, 3 times 3 plus 4 times 4, right? Because leg squared plus leg squared. So 3 squared plus 4 squared equals to h squared. So as I have already told you here, equals to h squared. So now 9 plus 16 equals to 25. So because 3 times 3 equals to 9, as we probably know, and 4 times 4 equals to 16. So now we add these two up. Remember, this is addition, not multiplication, because it wouldn't work if it was multiplication. So this adds up to 25. So now we know that h squared over here would be 25. Now to find h. Well, h equals to the square root of h, because the square root and the square, which is 25, cancel out with each other. So when you use the square root, you have to cancel out the square, leaving you with h. So we know that h equals to the square root of h. So therefore, 25, the square root of 25, that would equal to 5. So that's the Pythagorean theorem. It'll be really useful in geometry and, well, just math in general, especially if you're in like grade 7 or grade 8 and you're just starting out in middle school. Well, yeah, that's it, I think. Well, be sure to subscribe and like this video, and see you in the next video.